What about the guys? This is Robbie from Premier Lawns Lawn Care Company, just in Belfast, Northern Ireland. Today's video, just a real quick video. I'm over in England at the UK Lawn Care Conference, based down in Cambridge. It's an absolutely amazing event. There's about 80 different companies here with a combined turnover of something like 13.5 million. Companies here that have 20 vans out on the road. There's a lot of guys like me, just small guys, just starting out, trying to figure it out. The bigger guys actually are happy to share some of their knowledge about how they've grown, which is absolutely amazing. The networking you could do, some of the talks I had today and yesterday were absolutely fantastic. I'm going to interview a couple of guys before they go off home and say it's been an absolutely fantastic time. So look, thank you for watching. Stick around to see the rest.
Yeah, hi, I'm Jim Hewlett. I own and run Lawn Tech, which is based in Salisbury, Wiltshire. I'm one of the original members, actually, which was the Lawn Care Network. It's now the Lawn Care Association. And so we started doing this in 2005. We started off with, I believe, 8 members. And it's grown nicely over the years. Over 100 people here at this conference today, which is the best and biggest conference so far. And it's so good to see so many independent lawn care companies here, and I'm sure we can encourage a lot more people to get involved. We certainly become the main association in our industry.
Yeah.
We have a voice,
Yeah.
And hopefully we can help all these businesses.
And you've helped. I know I've talked to other guys that have come down and seen your setup, and that's an amazing thing for a small business to be able to come down and see one of the big guys in operation.
Well, thanks. I think I still see myself as a small business, of course. We have grown over the years. I've been in the turf business for 30 odd years, but we started Lawn Tech in about 2005, and we try to do the job properly. We've got about 16 employees now, and a nice little setup. So we'd always encourage people to come down and see what we get up to, especially the smaller businesses which are finding their way into the industry. And we're always delighted to show you around.
My name's Ben Sadler. I'm Head of Operations for Topgrass. We've got around 7,000 customers, got about 18 vans and 30 employees. I really enjoy the networking side of the UK Lawn Care Association, meeting other people. We're all facing the same difficulties, same challenges, so it's interesting to hear how different people cope with the same problems that you're dealing with. Presentations always very good, you always learn stuff. There's been some great presentations on soil today and how to look after your soil. Motivational speaker yesterday, a man called Richard McCann, is absolutely inspirational, brilliant. And I'd encourage everyone to come. If you're a member of the Lawn Care Association, I'd encourage you to come and you'll learn and gain from it.
Hi, my name's Russell. I'm the owner of Lawn Tiger, based down in Surrey on the West Sussex border. Do predominantly professional lawn treatment, lawn renovations here today because this is an excellent opportunity to network with people. You learn a huge amount. We've had great presentations from scientists about soil science, marketing, networking, HR, just everything we need to really support us and grow as a lawn care business. So yeah, I'm going to go away with loads of ideas and look forward to implementing them in the business.
Fantastic. Would you like, Dave?
Yeah, ready,
Go ahead.
Hi, my name's Dave from Lawn Tech. Only been established for about 3 months. I'm from Mansfield in Nottinghamshire. First conference. Really enjoyed it. Got great networking. There's some great speakers. Yeah, great time. Really enjoyed it.
I'm Oliver Ito from Greenkeepers Lawn Care Service. Come to the conference, have been coming for probably 10 years now. Started up a business in the late 90s and have grown to nearly 4,000 customers. I've always found it to be really informative and really good to be able to share ideas and network with people. Every time I come, I bring I take something away with me. So it's really good for us.
David Salt, Director of Blade Machinery. We're the importers of Bannerman lawn care equipment from Rexdale, Toronto.
And how long have you been supporting?
20 years, last November.
Very good.
Hi, my name's Tony Earls and I'm the owner of Trinity Lawn Care. and I've been in this business since 2003, so 18 years. And I come to this event, which is the UK Lawn Care Network, because we're a common voice of other people who are interested in growing their businesses properly. And what I get out of it is a lot of information, the current legislation, the way it's going, and also a lot of networking. That's one of the main things, to chat to other people, see what problems they have in the industry, and how we get around them. We talk about all sorts of things. We talk about software, we talk about customer retention, and we talk about how we're going to market our businesses next year.
My name's Kenyon. I'm a committee member of the UK Lawn Care Association. I first came to this event in 2017 when I was looking at the lawn care market and trying to learn a little bit more about the way that operates. The reason why I'm here this year is obviously I'm here to represent the committee, but also I think it's all about shared information. So to be able to support the new members and help them to not make the mistakes that you make when you're new in this industry is really helpful. And of course I also learn loads and loads of stuff while I'm here as well. So that's it for me really. That's why I'm here at this event.
I'm Lindsay Smith and I'm the Auditing and Compliance Manager for Basis Registration, and we look after the lawn care industry.
Hi, I'm Robin from Lawn Care for You, just at the annual conference. It's been great, really positive. Met lots of people, similar guys, individual guys in lawn care, and some with bigger companies. It's been great food, good social aspect, lots of learning, lots of soil nutrition advice, and machinery, and business and planning and health and safety. So if you're looking to come next year, I highly recommend it. So look at the UK Lawn Care Conference website, and there's lots of information on there. Thank you.